Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this fraction, 4 minus 4 times 4 over 2 times 2 minus 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Our fraction can be written as parentheses 4 minus 4 times 4 divided by parentheses 2 times 2 minus 2. In this expression, we have two parentheses and one division. Inside first parentheses, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. And inside these parentheses, we have this multiplication and this subtraction. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we work from left to right. And the same goes for addition and subtraction. So here, first we do these parentheses. Inside these parentheses, we first do this multiplication. 4 times 4 gives us 16. So 4 minus 16 divided by 2 times 2 minus 2. Now 4 minus 16 gives us negative 12. And negative 12 divided by 2 times 2 minus 2. Now, inside these parentheses, we first do this multiplication. Equals negative 12 divided by 2 times 2 gives us 4. And 4 minus 2. So now, negative 12 divided by 4 minus 2 gives us 2. And negative 12 divided by 2 gives us negative 6. So our final answer to this problem is negative 6.